Hey guys, it's Brett. Today we're talking about beaches, sunshine, and keeping that travel fund happy. Join me as I reveal the world's top 5 adult beaches for budget travelers. First up, we're jetting off to Playa del Engl in Gran Canaria. This stunning destination is a must-visit for anyone looking to soak up the sun without breaking the bank. This place is a haven for beach lovers on a budget. You can spend your days lounging on the sand, swimming in the crystal-clear waters, or simply enjoying the vibrant beach scene. Picture this: miles of golden sand, turquoise waters, and a lively atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to unwind and let your worries melt away. Whether you're looking for a cozy beachfront apartment or a swanky resort, Playa del Engl has accommodations to suit every taste and budget. There's something to fit every budget, from affordable hostels to mid-range hotels and luxurious resorts. You can find the perfect place to stay without spending a fortune. The nightlife here is legendary, offering a mix of laid-back beach bars and energetic clubs. With beach bars and clubs pumping out music late into the night, there's always something happening. You can dance the night away or simply enjoy a drink with friends. Imagine dancing under the stars with the sand between your toes. Pure magic. The beach parties here are unforgettable, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Playa del Engl truly has it all: stunning beaches, budget-friendly options, and endless entertainment. It's the perfect destination for a fun and affordable getaway. Next, we're heading to Portugal to discover Priia de Cavallo, a secluded paradise perfect for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Imagine towering cliffs, hidden coves, and lush green forests. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, or relaxing under the shade of a pine tree. The laid-back atmosphere is contagious, and you'll feel your worries melt away. Accommodation options range from charming guest houses to budget-friendly apartments. Priia de Cavallo is a destination that will capture your heart and leave you feeling refreshed. Hold on to your hats, party people! Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Our next stop is Zakynthos Beach in Corfu, Greece. This stunning location is not just about breathtaking views. Zakynthos Beach is famous for its electrifying party scene, with bars and clubs that come alive after sunset. The nightlife here is legendary. Whether you're into EDM, pop, or anything in between, you'll find your groove in Zakynthos. The DJs here are top-notch, spinning tracks that keep the energy high all night long. During the day, soak up the sun on the golden sands or cool off with a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters of the Ionian Sea. It's the perfect way to recharge for another night of fun. You'll find a wide range of affordable accommodation options, from hostels to apartments. These budget-friendly choices mean you can save your money for the parties and experiences that await you. Zakynthos Beach is the ultimate destination for budget travelers who want to experience the legendary Greek nightlife. With its vibrant atmosphere, stunning scenery, and endless entertainment options, it's a paradise for those looking to have a good time without breaking the bank. Prepare to be wowed by Navagio Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, in Zakynthos, Greece. This iconic beach is famous for its stunning shipwreck, turquoise waters, and dramatic cliffs. Navagio Beach is best known for its picture-perfect views, but it's also great for swimming and sunbathing. The water here is exceptionally clear, making it ideal for snorkeling and diving. While Navagio Beach is popular, you can still find peace and quiet if you visit early or late in the day. Visiting Navagio Beach doesn't have to cost a fortune, with affordable accommodation options in nearby villages. Get ready for some serious fun in the sun as we head to Cancun, Mexico. This vibrant destination is known for its stunning beaches, lively atmosphere, and endless activities that cater to all types of travelers. Cancun Beach is the ultimate adult playground, with powdery white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. Whether you're looking to relax under the sun or dive into the waves, this beach has it all. One of the best things about Cancun for budget travelers is the abundance of all-inclusive resorts. These resorts provide a hassle-free experience, allowing you to enjoy your vacation without constantly worrying about expenses. These resorts offer incredible value for money, with meals, drinks, activities, and entertainment all included. Imagine indulging in gourmet dining, sipping cocktails by the pool, and participating in exciting activities, all without breaking the bank. From exploring ancient Mayan ruins to swimming with whale sharks, Cancun offers something for everyone. Adventure seekers can dive into the underwater world, while history buffs can uncover the mysteries of the Mayan civilization. Cancun Beach is the perfect destination for budget travelers who want to experience the best of Mexico without spending a fortune. With its affordable luxury and diverse activities, it's no wonder Cancun remains a top choice for travelers from around the world. And there you have it, the top 5 adult beaches for budget travelers. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel content. Until next time, happy travels!